One body, many parts, a cinematic parable. The body of light shudders as the narrator asks, what happens when a body forgets its parts? Eye races without feet. Hand fumbles the lantern. Heart thunders. Alone scattered parts ache to belong. If one suffers, all feel it. But what if they never move as one? The narrator whispers among drifting parts. The eye falters without feet. Sparks flicker as parts brush and drift out of rhythm. The lantern rolls to a stop. Silence holds a scattered, longing body, unmoving and incomplete. In a lively square, each person tackles the problem alone as a stage sags mid-setup. Hand hammers fast but misaligns without a guiding plan. The stage leans further. Foot sprints supplies to the wrong corner, lacking ears coordination. Heart comforts the crowd but needs a safe platform. Worry lingers at the edges. Eye shares a sketch. Ear calls cues. Foot syncs drops. Hand rebuilds, true effort falls into rhythm. The stage rises. Laughter returns as lights warm the square. Differences don't compete, they complete.